Hey guys, it's Melissa with Web of Creativity and your Graphic 45 brand ambassador. This video is making 3 Christmas cards. They're pretty simple, and I use the Christmas Time paper collection by Graphic 45. And then I feature the gear die, also by Graphic 45, in each one of my cards. So that die looks like this. And then I use Tim Holtz metallic paper gold for the die. And then again, I used Christmas Time 8x8 pad and the 12x12 patterns and solids, and I used one of each color for these cards. So this video is going to go through how to assemble the cards and then all the measurements. So we got this cut apart piece from the 8x8 pad, another cut apart piece from the 8x8 pad. Alright, okay, and that's it. Not a whole lot of extra pieces to these cards. Real simple, fast to put together, and I just love the steampunk feel of this Christmas collection. Okay, let's get started. Card 1. We have a card base of 10x6 scored at 5 inches. That gives us an area of 5x6. Then our mats. This is an inside mat for the card to write on since it is a black cardstock. That guy is 4.5 by 5.5. And it's the same for our holly paper. It's 4.5 by 5.5. Then our green paper is 4 by 5. And then we have our gear gold piece. And then our red piece for our Merry Christmas is 3 inches by 1 5/8. And then I ink the edges using Distress Oxide Vintage Photo. So let's go ahead and start attaching. For card 2, our card base is 11 by 6 and scored at 5.5. And that gives us a 5.5 by 6 area. Then our first layer and card for the inside is the same, and that's 5 by 5.5. Our red, our next layer, is 4.5 by 5, and this is going to give us a 1/4 inch border on all the pieces. Then we got our gears, and that's 1/2 inch on both sides. And that gives us room to put our cutout piece, and our cutout piece is roughly 2 by 4. And if you're wondering, the gears are about 3 3/8 by 4.5 in size. So that is our second piece. So let's go ahead and attach everything. for our third card, we have a card base of 6 1/4 by 10 1/2 and scored at 5 1/4. So we have 6 1/4 by 5 1/4 area. So for our outside and inside mats, we have 5 3/4 by 4 3/4. Then our black mat, that is 5 1/4 by 4 1/4. We have our gear die, and then we have this green mat for this cut apart piece. So the green mat is 3 5/8 by 2 5/8. And then our cut apart piece, I forgot to write down, and that is roughly 3 1/2 by 2 3/8. So then we're going to just center everything like that. So the first two is a 1/4 of an inch border, and then this the black piece to the gold is 3/8 border all the way around. So it's just a little different, but mostly quite even. Okay, let's go ahead and attach everything. Alright, that concludes this video of these 3 awesome cards featuring the Graphic 45 gear die. Thank you for watching. For more projects, please visit my blog at www.webofcreativity.net. Again, thank you for watching.